Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the fan motor bracket in your fridge. The reason why you might have to do this is because the bracket is damaged, causing the fan motor to make some noises. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the fridge we're going to be using for our demonstration here. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home than what we have here, but the same techniques should still apply. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our freezer door here. Now we need to remove the ice maker, and to do that there are 3 screws holding it on here, and then 2 up here. We'll use our 1/4-inch nut driver and get those off now. And as you take out this last screw, you just want to hold the ice maker so that it doesn't fall down. And all we have to do to unclip these wires is just undo this tab right here, just lift up on it slightly and pull out. Now I want to take off this piece right here, which is just covering another screw that's inside. So I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver in order to pry that off. And now I'll use a 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the screw. And now the next thing I need to do is there are a few plastic tabs on the side of this piece right here. So I'm going to push in and pull out to release the plastic tabs. And the whole assembly will come right out. Now to remove the evaporator cover here, I've got to remove these 4 screws here. So I'll use a Phillips head screwdriver and do that now. And now that I have all those screws out, I can remove the evaporator cover just by pulling out a little bit anywhere, and then the whole thing should come out nice and easy. The other thing we're going to want to do is that there is a grounding wire for the ice maker, so we're just going to remove that from the cover, set that down, and then we can pull the cover out. Now to get this bracket off, I need to remove the 2 screws that are holding it on there. So we've got a 1/4-inch nut driver again. Now that the screws are out, the bracket should come right off. And what we're going to want to do is just also remove all of these wires. And the wires are just held in place back here by this clip. So we can just go around the clip and get them out like that. And then they just come out top and out of this clip. Now we'll unplug the fan, so we're just going to pop that clip up and pull it out. And we've got this one last wire, so we can just pull that out as well. Now I want to pull the fan off, so just to get the blade off, just pull that straight out. We'll go back on the other side, push it out, just like that. So, and if we need to, we can just angle that out and it'll pop right out. Now we can take the fan out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement fan motor bracket. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And now we're going to line up our fan motor with the bracket. And with the bracket, it's got that hexagonal hole there. So we'll line up the grommet and put it inside. And we'll put the back piece on. And line up the clips here first. And then line up the fan motor and push it in. And the back of this clip also has that hexagonal hole, so you just want to make sure that the grommet on the back is also lined up properly with that back hole. And now we'll line up our fan blade, and we'll push that straight on, just like that. And that spins nicely. Make sure that's tight. And now we'll reattach the wire onto the side of the motor here. And then we'll plug it back in here as well. And now we'll put our fan motor back into place up here. And you're just going to line up the holes in the back and screw it back in. So now I want to put the wires back into place as well. Those will just go underneath the clips there, like they were earlier. These ones will go in the front. And behind that piece. Kind of weave in and out. Now we'll put the evaporator cover back in, and what we want to do first is just put it in an angle and clip in the grounding wire here on the side, so it's sitting right there. And then what we're going to do is grab this wire here and feed it through the hole near the grounding wire as we set it up, just like that. Pull it through, and then we can put the fan cover back into place, just in the back, sitting there like so, and push the cover so that it goes all the way back. There we go. Now we might have to move the ice maker up a little bit to get it in all the way. Once you've done that, now screw it back in. And as you can see right here, I've left the glove right up here. You don't have to have a glove or anything, but just something to cover these 3 holes. Not the end of the world if one of your screws falls down in there, because you can take it apart. If it falls on one of the sides, it'll fall right through into the refrigerator compartment. But if it falls in the middle, you'll have to do some disassembly on the inside of the fridge too. Now we'll put the ice maker back into place. So the first thing we're going to do is plug it back in. And once you've got it plugged in, you can line up the holes. And you're gonna also want to put the tube into the back piece over here. And then screw it back in. Now I'll put the circulation vent back into place. And there are 2 tabs right on the bottom right there. And push that in so it clips into place. There we go. Now we can screw it in. Now we'll put the cover back in place. Like that. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.